Today's Get Better Challenge: which U.S. state doesn't have a city greater than 50,000 people? We pulled a CSV file from the U.S. Census website, 700 cities in the U.S. larger than 50,000 people. We see a column for rank, and we see a column for geography. City and state are in the same column, so let's go to the data menu, choose select text to columns, tell it we want to use a delimiter, in this case, comma. Then we need to tell it where we want to put the new columns. Don't want to accidentally override our source data. Then we choose finish, and voila, we have a city and state separated. But we still have over 700 rows of data, and there are only 50 states. So let's make a copy of the state column. And with this newly created column selected, let's go and choose Remove Duplicates. This leaves us with 51 unique items. So let's sort the data A to Z, and we can kind of see the District of Columbia, and we know that's not a state, and there's a blank row. That leaves 49 states found. So which state doesn't appear in the list having a city with 50,000 people? Put your guess in the comments section below. This has been Data with Daryl's 1 Minute Challenge. Thanks for watching. Be sure and subscribe so that we can help you do more with your data.